Morning. Bear with me. Second, please. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing okay. Let me just log in here real quick into the site. I'm logging in now and make sure that everything runs smoothly this morning. We're going to be using the chat room on the site, please. A couple of stocks on watch here this morning. I'm going to be sharing it with you right now. Hope you guys are doing okay. You can hear me well. All right. Thank you to all those who are joining the stream today. Watch list I already posted there. Please let me know if you can hear me well. So CANF is gapping up today this morning. Has some news out. The news seems like some stocks on the pre and the healthcare sector is actually moving this morning. Some energy sector stocks as well. We got stock Fran trading on very nice earnings. Let me just take this one out. Secondary window here. Also CANF here, and we're gonna put Fran here. We can see this one a couple of minutes away. Trading huge here, beating earnings. So excellent move here in this stock so far, hitting that $10 price range from the 5. It will be really important. We have a pre-market high of 10,007 cents. 10.7, 10.07. We can see next level on the daily 1164. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, say breaking and over the $10.50 for probably a quick scalp if he gets a breakout of the 1050. It's a little overextended now though. If he breaks the 1050, he's just gonna push up real quick. There you go. See enough is on the review app. Hovering here. Pretty strong resistance there. Okay, so we got a $10.74 high. Today this stock is moving higher on earnings report, second quarter earnings report. You can also see MIK moving higher and SWN pushing up SWN as well. AVO, OSTK, SWN, MIK, CANF. These are the stocks on the watch list, and also FRAN. Little pullback here. Watch it for a secondary move. Secondary move on watch here. No worries, man. No worries. Still here. So, Fran, watching the secondary move, went for a small scalp over the $10.50 right out of the open. Had a nice push. Waiting for a secondary move. We'll be switching back to the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame on Fran. SWN, MIK moving higher. MDR also on the watch list today. CANF, THC. Stock keeps on moving lower here. I'm gonna try to catch a little bounce. I'm gonna watch a 1 minute time frame. The spread is really not too bad. This pullback is going on because really it's a little overextending the pre-market hours. If you look at the chart here, the trend moved way too quick. Pre-market hour had a nice spike all the way from $5 all the way to $10.74 right out of the gates. So this pullback really needed to happen. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, we're just having a little bit of consolidation up there. Again, I'm watching the 15-minute time frame, and we are gapping up huge today. So I'm gonna be watching the 1 minute time frame, trying to catch a little bit of a bounce up. This stock right now wouldn't really be a good idea to get into a short. So I'm not looking for a short anyway. I'm gonna try to catch a bounce. Quick scalp, and move up. Yeah, I'm missing a lot. Yeah, there might be some people that will tell me, hey, dude, you're missing the whole move. The move is now to the downside. It's a good opportunity here, but I'm looking for a bounce. Remember the YI that we picked up this stock yesterday, and AESE picked it up last night. And my cape also keep on moving higher, but as of right now, YI and AESE stock that I keep it on watch. Today, see, might be a pretty good opportunity for a move. Holding some on a CISN for your swing. CISN printing today $7.39. Looking for a level of $9.29. MIK keeps on moving higher today. CANF pushing up here. CANF from the pre-market watch list. CANF taking a quick scalp here on the break of that high of $9.56. Not looking too good now. Well, I'm out. rather not. Got a slap up right there. A slap in the face. First little winner that I had. Gave it all back. Trying to get a second entry here on Fran. Gave it all back. Gonna try to catch a bounce. A little bit more consolidation here. Gonna keep it on watch. It's probably going to go down here. Best entry. God. I actually, to be honest with you guys, I think I shot myself in the foot because on that pullback right there, I actually should have shorted the stock, not gotten any long trades. That was actually the best entry right there on that pullback, that green candle, that 1 minute time frame. Instead of going long, going short was the best bet here. We see here we're getting a little bit of support here, 924 and 924. There you go with the breakdown here. It was flushing down real quick. I think I did the right thing getting out right away, but the problem is that should have shorted the stock there. But yeah, it is what it is. So one good, decent trade right out of the gates, a breakout of 1050. Gave it all back here. And the second trade, trying to catch a bounce. I thought the bounce was going to be a little bit longer than this. Was trying to get at least 10 cents. In the country, got slapped. OSTK is moving today. I have it on watch. $19.35 stuff right now. Yes, EANF is pulling back right here. Watching the 5 minutes here. There's the view app there. Let's see. Watching CANF too. Fran holding on to the 100 simple moving average here. Probably perfect formation. Resuming the downtrend here under the 100. If we get under the 100, we're just going to be resuming the downtrend here. Watching CANF, watching Fran held on to the 100. Watching the area support 890 here. Hey, let me know if you can hear me, please. Please, guys, let me know if you can hear me. We got a breakdown here of $8.90, a little bit of support that we had here. See what it's going to do. It's getting a little bit choppy here. Tricky entries. This is breaking down the areas of support here. But the problem is that it's pulling back right away. So I'm not too sure what's going on. I mean, obviously, it's being a little bit more tricky entries here, but it's no follow through here on the downside. Just being a little bit tricky here on these entries. Holding on inside of this range here. See, so think I'm gonna let it run a little bit more, and I'm gonna keep an eye on CANF. Right now, it's coming back up. CANF seems like it's a lot better opportunity here in CANF. 330, 330 pre-market high, 330 pre-market high. So see if we're gonna hold on 330 here. Okay, 330 right there, pre-market highs. Thank you for letting me know. ENDP here on watch as well today, coming right back up, $3.41 today. Got a great entry that was missed on Fran. Really had to break out of the $10 today. Looking back at it, uh, the candle that actually opened today was right out of the open, $5.95. It would have been a pretty good entry there on the breakout of the 10. Had a high of $10.74, so the best entry was right there out of the open today. I missed that one. Got in on the breakout of the 1050. And it worked out okay. Trying to work with the hack keys and everything. CISN keeps on moving okay for me. Took a stab on that one. Level that I was looking for was 715 and 729. Those are the pocket that I was actually looking for. Printing a little pennant formation right here on Fran. Small pennant. Okay, so we're holding on here. And see what it's going to do. It's probably just having a little bit of consolidation. It seems like he has a little bit more to the downside. We got a breakdown here. The entries here have been a little bit more tricky today. MNK. I think I added that one this morning. I saw it on the pre-market hour. I no I yeah I didn't add it up. It's just let me take a look at it real quick here. Okay, NSPR. Let's see here. NSPR is halted. Okay, I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna take FRAN out. OSTK trending higher here. HOV going lower. Not looking for that one. So putting FRAN on this one, and we'll bring a NSPR. Seems like it's the second hold here on NSPR. Healthcare sector. Sector. NSPR. And let me just take a look at MIK. Oh, MNK. Yeah, MNK looking pretty good. 2080 cents on MNK. Keeps going higher. The spread is pretty decent. Again, healthcare sector stock too. Next level 310, 310 on MNK, 310. MNK there, 310. Next level on the daily. MNK. Watching Fran here, testing the View app. Fran, testing the View app. MNK next level on the daily is $3.10. Keep in mind that $3 whole dollar resistance will be a key resistance there. Then you're probably going to find a pullback here, close to the $3 area. Taking a stab, looking for a $3 push on MNK. $3 push, 310 resistance on the daily. Looking for a push close to $3, getting paid close to it. Needs a quick scalp here. I'm watching the price action after resuming an NSPR. Let's see where it resumes. This is probably going to be a stock that's going to have a lot of volatility. A stock that's going to probably have a pretty big spread depending on how it moves. 290 MNK. We're gonna pretty quick pull back here on MNK. We had a high of $2.92 on that candle. Coming right back up. Quick flush there though. Way too quick. Watching the 1 minute time frame on MNK. We're gonna have a reversal. And SPR still halted. I'm gonna take it out of the main screen here. I'm gonna put it in the secondary window. I'm gonna keep it on watch, but I'm not gonna occupy this space here. With this stock. So I'm gonna move it away. Keep watching MNK. And SPR moving lower, open 530, pull back, just reopened just now. Just reopened. It's probably gonna get halted again on the way down. Quick flush, extremely quick. Yeah, just about to be halted again. Yep, just about to be halted. Yep, just got halted. Right back to 293. Finding a little bit of resistance here on my MNK. I'm gonna let this one run without me. I'm gonna take about 4 cents here. Just run without. Let's run without me here. This long way candle here on the 5 doesn't have me thinking anything good about it. Probably gonna be the nice push over the $3 area that I was looking for. It's gonna do it without me though. A little flag here in the 1 minute time frame. If you look at it right here, so we're having a little bit of consolidation there on the 1 minute. Little flag. You see an idea that we might end up getting close to the $3 area. Let's see here. Anyway, I'm out. If it does it, it's gonna do it without me. Took 4 cents there. Still watching Fran. Okay, coming right back up. Break out of that flag right there. Pushing up to the $3 mark. 310 is the area that we have on the daily. Close to the $3 here will be a little area of resistance. You might pull back from here. On MNK, too bad I only took 4 cents there. On that pullback, after you flush right there on that long candle on the 1 minute, I didn't want to stay in. After he just came right back up, I just decided following pullback around that red candle, following red candle there, I just exited. I didn't wait for that flag here. Okay, so we had a high here on this 1 minute candle, $3.04. The level was 310. You can see there the little pullback here, pretty close to that area. All right, so watching Fran having a secondary move. Fran coming right back up, breaking the $8.90, which was support and became resistance, and now it's pushing higher here with a secondary move. Fran. Let's see if we can hold on here. We're testing the view app here in this area. We just broke the view app up here. I don't know if we can be able to break the 976 here, or just maybe this is just a push to roll over again to the downside. Let's see. But volume is actually kicking in now. There's sometimes people make mistakes right there. You see the first push, sometimes he holds on to that resistance level here pretty tight, and it doesn't, it doesn't break. We got the 50 sitting here at $9.71, and we got it right here 976. So it's actually pretty close to that resistance here. I'm gonna put a trend line, and the 50 was actually a resistance there. We got 976. I'm really not too sure about that level. I'm not trying to be a superhero here, so I think we're gonna hold on. Too close. We got the view up here, sitting back here, and we got the 50 sitting back here as well. So I think we're just gonna roll over. Probably have a retest of the 890 there. When we retest that area down here, if we do that, we might end up having a little bounce from there. So let's see what happens. If we can get down there again, probably have a retest over here and now where he was actually back there was support, became resistance, and then became support again here when he broke. Let's see if we have a retest to actually hold on to that support here and roll over back here again to $9.76 again. Okay, so he held on. It didn't go all the way for a retest of the 890 yet. Let's see. Might just be teasing people here to get in. Best entry was right out of the open, the breakout of $10 and breakout of the 1050. There was two key levels right there that anybody could have used. Okay, so watching a possible retest of the 890 and a possible bounce over those areas down there. AVEO, AVEO moving out of a range. Looking for the retest of $8.90. And let's see what we can do here. Over the 50, I would like definitely to see it get under the 50, retest the 890. Get a little bit of support there. Possibility to trade inside of the range, coming right back to 976. Okay, we just got under the 50. See, still a little green here. Little indecision on those candles. We didn't close under the 50. Thinking we can actually hold on to these areas here. See if we can hold on to the trend here. See if we can hold on to the trend. Have this trend here. Hold on to it. Come right back down, testing $8.90 here. Seems like we're having a bear flag formation here on the 1 minute. FRAN, looking for a retest at 890. Retest 890. Okay, so we got pretty close. 893. So let's see if we can get right back up again. 976. Just as a reminder why I picked this one up last night. 213,000 shares today so far. Decent spike on the daily so far, as of right now. We had a resistance of $3.50. We checked that one last night. Let me bring it here so you can see it. Looking for a possible retest of these areas right here, at least getting close to the 100 simple moving average right here on the 50. But I was looking for a retest here of $8.90. We get to be a little bit closer here. Not too sure. There you go. I think we're gonna have a breakdown here. The problem with all of this is that when you're looking for a when you're looking for a retest, it's sometimes it's better to have a confirmation by the penny. This you have tricky entries in stocks like this that it's really not giving you a clear entry. As you can see here, we got a breakout, right? False breakout, pullback right away. Testing, breakout here, but a false breakout because it pulled back. And now right here, it was trying to retest the 890, didn't retest by 3 pennies. It didn't get there, and then pull back, and then now it had a retest, but it had a breakdown, but it didn't really have a breakdown because it pulled back right away for the bounce. So this thing, it's trading too close on the 50 simple moving average here. It's not really clear entries. We really needed to have a retest right here, and again, having a retest here, I think that we can get right back up here to uh, trade inside of this range with the $9.75, 76 cents. But really, this stock has had some pretty tricky entries right now. This is not a clear move. So right now, for me, this is really a no. Um, I already gave out the profits that I had right at the open when actually broke the $10.50. I gave it all out on one of those pullbacks when I thought that we were going to have a little bit of a bounce and this thing roll over on me. And right now, I don't think that I'm really interested in getting an entry here. 887 low, and we can see here 886 low. So this thing is just going to keep downtrending and having kind of tricky entries here. So I'm really not interested in this stock anymore. We can see CANF here testing the one simple moving average, trying to bounce a little bit. I'm not holding my hopes here that it's actually going to bounce. See the market trending lower today this morning. ABIO, we're trending 102. This is one of the stocks that I had on watch list on the pre-market hours, and YI, for example. I'm going to try to give you an example here of what I picked yesterday. It doesn't have the bets looking short right here on the 5, but using a reference, because we were building a swing trade watch list last night. This is what we had, $3.15 resistance here. We had a breakout today at $3.15 and went all the way to a high of $4.27, right? So this is the type of stock that you need. You need a little bit of range in order for you to take some profits and maybe grow those accounts. Depends on which way you want to go about it, but this is one of the ways that you can actually do. You could try to catch those bounces and try to get those moves on the swing trades. Again, I'm holding on CISN right here, this stock, and there's a reason why I'm doing so. Let me just bring the daily real quick here. If you notice right here, right, this is one of the things that I was telling you guys last night about this thing, and I was talking about this thing yesterday. So these are a couple of the areas that I was looking for. At the breakout at the $6.50, and we got at the next level right here, 715. I took a stab yesterday on this thing, holding a swing, and I'm looking for a possibility to get over here to $9.29. Although we have the 50 sitting on $8.89. But although this thing it has a really low volume, I took a stab yesterday. I'm gonna let it run. Let's see what it does because I don't want to get tricked into thinking that it's not gonna get there. Although it has kind of low volume, but I'm letting it run. And again, this is me. I'm not telling anybody to do this, but this is what I'm doing, and I just wanted to give you a kind of explanation here. 315, a new higher day. Also, AVIO testing the yeah. I'm noticing that. It's testing the 100 the dollar mark here, so got up there, and MNK as well. It's moving higher. Oh, looking at it, MNK right now $3.22. Yeah, it's a pretty decent move. Look at that little flag here. Kind of slow mover, but it's being a little steady. It's been okay. Kind of tricked me here. I was looking for a retest of the $3. Didn't really happen. I mean, not that a retest, but a test of $3. Pull back on me. Um, got 4 cents out. Got out. Had a little flag here. Breakout of a flag. Kept on trending higher here. Let me see what the 2 minute time frame looks like here. This one we had the flag right here inside of this thing. Looks a little bit different on 2 minutes. And if you look at here, we have a little pullback here, right? So there you have it right there. Pretty healthy trend right now. The first red candle right here on this thing, on this push after the little bit of consolidation where we have this flag here. And looking good. It's running without me though. The NDP has had some pretty nice move today. Pretty decent move today on the NDP. Really missed that one. Have it on one of the charts on the swing trade watch list. But I actually thought that today was going to be a day that it was going to keep on plunging. And look at that reversal here. Seems like the volume has dried out a little bit more. This morning, jeez. Last couple of days it's been like this. A couple of good opportunities right out of the open, and then by the first hour of the day, everything's already like gone. Jesus Christ. It's been like this for the last couple of days. Guys, I really don't see anything moving on. So right now it's pretty slow and stuff. So I think I'm gonna let you guys go for the day. I'll be back here later on today. It's a pretty boring morning. Nothing's moving. I don't see anything that I can actually do today. So I'm gonna run with it. I'm gonna just leave the day as it is right now. No, I'm not gonna stress out about it. So I'm gonna let the live stream go for now. Thank you so much, guys, for being here with me. I'll talk to you guys today at 7 o'clock today. So see you guys later. Take care.